I guess your turn to try to do it now. Hurt your toe?
Who's the daddy now?
Well, you ain't so bad after all.
Yeah, you do.
Well, I see some dollar signs in our future. Me and you. Hey, you know how to play football?
Yeah.
Well, let's head to the house. We need some drink. You wanna come over?
Yeah.
Let's go.
You? What? Football. What about you?
Yeah, same thing. Sometimes I play baseball, sometimes I guess.
You any good at football?
Yeah, probably better than you.
You wanna go?
Sure. Let's go.